In 3 months, we can be a whole new person. Green smoothie. And I really want to cut them. I cut my hair. कर दिया hydration. 100 days is a huge time. Habit ideas. Take out your journals. What you are going to do after watching this video, you will not be liking. हेलो, टुडे इज 19th सितंबर। सितंबर के 10 दिन को हम थोड़ा सा साइड रखते हैं। वी हैव अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर ऑफ 2025। सो इन 3 months we can be a whole new person, and that is exactly what is happening in this video. We are locking in step 1. Accept the fact what you are going to do after watching this video, you will not be liking. Every green vegetable under the sun is in this. I'm taking away the sense of smell and taste by not breathing. If you will make a green smoothie, pro tip, don't put dhania in it because it will overpower pura taste and you'll just have to hold your breath. So my cleaning my room situation is worse because मेरे को unpack करना है and then I also have to clean my room. Just me looking at all the things I overpacked for a 1-day trip. Oh yeah, this will go in my memory box. Summer I Turned Pretty का watch party का band. The whirlwind this show has been, like the excitement of the whole world for every Wednesday, needs to be studied and will be studied. I'm sure it's like a marketing case study. Team Conrad till the day I die. And let me just say, spoiler alert, Jeremiah and Denise, there was no need. I think Denise is just too cool for any of these guys. Not Conrad. कर दिया. Don't judge. मेरा ब्रेसलेट। And 3, 2, 1 टक। The bed sheet is so dirty. इसको भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। Look at the sunlight. It looks so pretty. मेरे पिछले बर्थडे को 1 साल होने वाला है। ये बलून अभी तक जीवित है। Anyways, this is what my hair is. They are sort of long and I really want to cut them till here. And नवरात्रि शुरू होने वाले हैं तो apparently उसमें काटने से भी मना है, तो I just have like आज और कल का दिन. I'm going to do it today. शावर करके आती हूँ and मैं जाऊंगी in like 15 minutes for the haircut. तब तक I will show you something. I got this sipper specially as like जैसे बच्चे को टॉफी दिखाते हैं ना, वैसा वो है ये सिपर मेरी लाइफ में as a reminder for me to drink water because I recently got my health checkup done and it's bad. Like it was like इतना ऊपर नीचे मेरी रिपोर्ट कार्ड में भी नहीं हुआ आज तक. So anyways, like since we are cleaning our minds, rooms, literally everything for these next couple of months, I really want to be consistent with drinking lots and lots of water. You should hydrate yourself and not just any water. We should drink like clean, healthy water. So 2 or like 3 weeks back, we got this new Kent RO installed and we've been really happy with using it. If you don't believe me, I'll just... एक second. मम्मा मम्मा ने मेहंदी लगा दी। हमने जो कैंट आर है उसको कितना टाइम हो गया इंस्टॉल हुए?
कल ही तो 30th अगस्त को हुआ था।
30th अगस्त को इंस्टॉल हुआ था. So yeah, that's it. अब जा सकते हैं. So we absolutely like trust Kent RO to give us pure water every single time because it's certified by NSF USA, which is like a global benchmark of purity and safety of, you know, drinking water. No other brand in India has this much of, you know, gives this much of assurance for drinking water. And it not only gives pure water, it also gives you water which is infused with copper ions and alkaline pH, सिंपल भाषा में इसका मतलब है कि द कॉपर आयंस हेल्प यू इन डाइजेशन एंड जो एल्कलाइन होता है दैट रिड्यूसेस एसिड इन द वाटर. तो द एक्चुअल डिटॉक्स जो हम सब चाह रहे हैं दैट हैपन्स. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द आरओ ऑल्सो हैज अ डिस्प्ले विच मेक्स एवरीथिंग ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. जैसे यहाँ पे शो होता है इफ द टैंक इज फुल, if how much water is left, the TDS levels. Plus the bhaiya who came to install the RO was super sweet and he was more than happy to be in the video. So if you're looking for an RO that you can trust, because like water is one of the most important things ever, you can definitely get this one from Kent, and I'll attach a link in the description so you can see all the details. And now let's go get this haircut. 3, 2, 1. It's short. I love it. It's just the change I wanted, and I'm glad कि like so. I also did it right now because I didn't want कि मैं बर्थडे के आसपास कराऊँ and then फिर कुछ गलत हो जाए या फिर मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटे लगे. तो it's like oh my god मेरा बर्थडे कल है. तो I have like a month to grow a little bit of length if needed, and even though I love this length, I feel like a new person already. I get why Belly did it. बदली सी हवा है, कुछ ना कुछ हुआ है, हल्का हल्का. I'm watching the bads of Bollywood right now, so that's why the music. If you decide to get a haircut after this video कि reset के लिए I'm gonna get a haircut, do let me know. Also before I went for the haircut, I had not worked out उससे पहले पूरे दिन में. So I went to the gym first with Nidhansh. I'm not a gym girl. I have like zero strength in me. So that is something I definitely want to work on. मैंने continuously बहुत सारी like reels देख लिया है. Not just reels कि you know cardio से ज़्यादा strength training is important and stuff like that. I don't even know much about this because even when I lost weight, I introduced strength training in the like with my own dumbbells at home in the end, and it really did help me tone up. So maybe it's true, and yeah, I went to the gym. What else we here for? I'll tell you. We are going to get a little bit technical with this, and we are going to review our vision boards that we made at the start of the year. Some of us made it together, and any goals that you have set, open it up, put them in front of you. My vision board is open in front of me. See इसमें से क्या क्या कर लिया है, क्या क्या बचा है, which areas have you not tapped into, what is lacking, because as I said 100 days is a huge time. Take out your journals. Step 2 is basically making a gratitude list of the things you have been able to do. Just be grateful for the little things, even if it's like making a new friend or reading a book. I promise मेरी handwriting इतनी गंदी नहीं है. Now make a list of things that you have not yet been able to complete or have started working for. Make a list of that, your goals. Now you can like use maybe your journal itself or any other notebook, or take an A4 sheet and make a habit tracker for yourself. मैं पहले A4 sheet पे ही बनाती थी. I'll show you. I got this habit tracker from पता नहीं some brand. मैंने Instagram ads पे देख के मंगा लिया था. Anyways, these are some of the ideas, habit ideas you can take a screenshot or something. And then if you see, this is like a sample of how you can make the columns. It's like easy, but मैं ऐसे ही दिखा रही हूँ. मंगा तो मैंने 1 महीने पहले लिया था, but I have not gotten around to use it. So I am going to for this month. Like water intake हो गया, and then whatever habits you want to do. Mine obviously might differ. Mine is done and ready. I'm just going to fold it. इसके बाद I am obviously using my to-do list from this brand called Feelworthy. So make a to-do list every day, like do it the night before for the next day. ये मैं तब भी करना नहीं भूलती हूँ, even when I'm in the pits of a shit routine. Make yours. So like now we have clarity, like we've broken down the things we want to do, and जब तक लिखेंगे नहीं, जब तक ऐसे हैबिट्स नहीं बनाएंगे चीज़ों की, आई डोंट थिंक खुद कुछ भी हो जाएगा एकदम से जल्दी से. आई एम जस्ट गोना चेंज इनटू माय ब्लैक टी शर्ट. I think most of us are obsessed with this song. Those who know why. Guys, do you remember how I said like some people wrote stuff like she only listens to music and cleans her room sometimes? I just thought, like I just realized today, I went ahead and started a whole like this monthly thing on Instagram where I don't even clean my room. I just listen to songs. I do like a songs reel. Take that. I like having this in my room. Let me show you something. I don't want you like a best friend. I'll just stop this. It's too much. मेरे को बस दिखाना था. Also guys, my little cousins have put me, or like have made me put the habit again of brushing in the night. Yeah, I had stopped. Don't judge me please. And now I'm just trying to listen and like do this for myself, which is a good habit. So I guess you can learn from everyone. Also मैंने एक अपना like unsponsored skincare routine film कर लिया है. I think I'll put it on shorts this week. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. Dancing in your Levi's, drunk under a street light. You put me on and said I was your favorite. What a songwriter! Like when I felt that I was an old cardigan under someone's bed, you put me on and said I was your favorite. Summer and Turn Pretty has heavily influenced the songs that I listen to, like Cardigan, Dress, Love of My Life, False God. What a feeling it is to like something with your whole heart and be a fan of someone wholeheartedly. That is something some people really cannot understand until it happens, until like they love someone the same way. This rant was like for the girls, so if you're a guy watching this at this point, you're one of us, so welcome. Also guys, I will announce the giveaway winners in the next video. I am sorry for the delay, but इस week मेरे को time नहीं मिला to read all the comments. उस दिन like the ones I've hearted I have read, but the rest of them that are very recent I did not get a chance to read because I was traveling and with the new Feelworthy drop also coming. So yeah, I'll do it in the next video, promise. But एक बार जाके देखना वो comment section. It's worth reading. Like each and every comment is worth reading. This is my pony now. Anyways, I hope you reset after watching this video, or just like make up your mind to like do better starting Monday. And so will I. I will see you guys next time. Bye.